gonna tell you again. You know what I mean? I told you once, I ain't gonna tell you again, but I told you again, so that means I told you twice. I told you twice, I ain't gonna tell you again, that's 3 times. Look, that's enough. Bitch, I got the car burned down on the side of the road. Oh, nobody was stuck in that shit. I gotta change that beat. I gotta change that beat. I gotta beat. I just put it in me. I gotta change that beat. I just be beating her knee. I gotta change that beat. I just be beating her knee. As long as she's on her knee. Somebody for salary. Right off is something I need. Right off is something I need. I just be beating her knee. Somebody for salary. She somebody for salary. Right off is something I need. I just be beating her knee. She don't see money from me. As long as she's on her knee. She don't see money from me. I just be meeting her needs. I just be meeting her needs. She don't see money from me. As long as she's on her knees. Somebody for salary. Right off is something I need. They right off is something I need. Woo! Making my money punch away from me. My money punch away from me. Making my money punch away from me. Right. Yeah, right off is something I need. Right off is something I need. Somebody for salary. Right off is something I need. Right off is something I need. Somebody for salary. I'm kinda hungry though, and I just ate steak. I need like one more thing, like an appetizer with it did it. I fucked up, she's on one, I'm on one, she's on. Fucked up, I'm on one, she fucked up, I'm on one, she's on. Man, that was kinda, now I get that like a -4. Like a -5. I get that like a -5. I remember the guys from school, that nigga was be funny. The funniest human on earth. Not even trying. He had this serious face of all his jokes. But he was funny. What I realized is these women, they don't want that pick us. I mean, you know, real dog can get what he wants. But overall, these women pick us. They fetching their dog and they do exactly what the fuck they want. That pussy got her from country to country and now she's stuck like what the fuck. She hit the wall, yeah, she hit the wall. Bitch, you should've listened to. That fucking mindset kept you hella broke. Yeah. Yo. Bitch. Told you once I ain't listening to you no motherfucking more. If you could take one thing from this whore, she'll take your soul, yeah she would. She'll take it. If you could take one thing from this whore,
turn that shit up to Cuba.
Take yours, cause she got your soul.